Hey guys, it's Coffee Callie, and today I'm finally doing a more Christmassy style video. So today I'm going to do some DIY Christmas gifts and cute present ideas and stuff. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first DIY is supposed to be a styrofoam like cone or something, but I couldn't find one and I'm too lazy to go out and buy one. So I'm using cardboard. So if that backfires, it's my fault. And you're gonna need Kit Kats. And basically you're supposed to glue them on here and make a Christmas tree. But I'm using tape because I don't know if I have a glue. And also I kind of colored it partly green because, you know, ta-da, oop, I might need something stronger actually. See, so far it's not going well. I have a better idea. I can tape it a different way. I'm gonna tape it this way. And then, okay, that could work. This is not going to be cute. Like, I saw one and it was cute and I was like, I could do this, but like, mine isn't going to turn out cute. Wait, this is, I mean, it could be worse, am I right? No, I already ruined it. Make my wish come true. One of the reasons I'm doing this video is because, you know, first of all, DIYs are usually fun, you know, and I need to get in the Christmas spirit because this year I haven't really been feeling the whole Christmas, like, spirit or whatever. And, like, I even watched Elf, and that usually helps. I don't know. Anyways, that was just a random thing. So this is not going very well. Oh, well, I'll update you guys later. Okay, so now I'm understanding why they use glue. It's because you can't really see it. And you can see this tape, like, it's making it look like kind of unprofessional. I have the first layer done, as you can see, and it stands up so far. Never mind. But hopefully once it's done, it'll be able to stay up. It's kind of a lot of weight for that little piece of cardboard. But you know what? We'll just see what happens. Okay, so I have the second layer done. Kind of cute actually. We'll have to see what happens. Just tape the last one on, and this is how it looks. It actually does not look bad. Hello, look at that. Should I do this like for a star or something? Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna be like the star of the tree, you know? Doesn't this look cute, Sophie?
Oh, how sweet.
Isn't that cute?
Did you get the proportions wrong?
It's because it's like a piece of cardboard. Okay.
Oh, so ugly. Oh my god.
So for this next craft, you're gonna need some crayons, a pencil sharpener, but I have a knife instead because I can't find mine, some empty ornaments, and a hair dryer. All these objects seem pretty random, right? Well, no. I mean, actually they are. But anyways, you can get these kind of ornaments at like your local craft store. I got them at Dollar Tree. First, you're gonna take your crayons, whatever color you like. I'm gonna use, well, blue, pink, and white. Let's put the rest back. Okay, so normally, next you would use your pencil sharpener to get some of shreds, but I have a knife instead because I don't know where the heck the pencil sharpener went. And so I'm just gonna make a little pile, just cut up this crayon, your blue crayon. Ow! That slapped my hand. Okay, You just pour the crumbs in here. Actually, I'm going to need a lot more than that. So that's what you do to all 3 of your crayons, or to whichever colors. You just shred it up. You have little shredded up, and you put them in here. So once you fill it up, make sure to put the lid on, and I'll show you what you do next. So next, you take your little ornament and you turn on your hairdryer and you put it like this. Ready? So yeah, here's how it turns out, and you can do it longer if you want like these colors to like swirl together, but I kind of like this look. I'm gonna do the second one. So here's the second one. I did red, green, and black. Hopefully it'll look more Christmassy, and I'm gonna try not to melt it. Storage, but look how pretty it turned out. It looks cool, doesn't it? And also the reason it melted is because I was using high heat. So yeah, use low heat, kids. Okay, so this is how it ended up. So that's that for that DIY. Moving on. For this next gift, you just need a pot. And I'm painting trees on it. I have little trees drawn on it. So now that you have your little trees drawn, you take some styrofoam, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use a paper towel. And so basically you're supposed to glue the styrofoam in the pot, but again, I don't have glue or styrofoam, so I'm just going to tape it into this pot. Take a pine cone and you paint it, and you tape that onto the styrofoam or the paper towel. You have a little pine cone tree, a little cute little pot with a pine cone. Next, we have a little wrapping hack. So take your ornament and just place it in the center of some tissue paper, like this. And then you can tie it with some ribbon, and that can be the wrapping for the gift. That's all the DIYs for you guys. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to comment below, and subscribe to my channel. And Merry Christmas, I guess, because it's December. It's almost Christmas. Yeah. Peace out, homies.